Hello, little learners! Woohoo! Today, we're going to have so much fun learning our first letter sounds. Are you ready to have fun with the letters S? S says S, like a snake. Let's learn some short and simple words that start with S. Let's go! Letter S. Say S. Can you say S? S is for sun, sat, sip, sit, and sand. Now your turn. Wow, you did such an amazing job! You learned so many words that start with the letter S, like sat, sip, and sun. Keep practicing your sounds every day, and you'll be a super reader in no time. See you again soon for more phonics fun. Bye-bye, friends!